Hey, what's up, YouTube family? I have the new Gucci ring. I just got the new Gucci snake ring. They called it the Gucci Garden Snake Ring. And I have the new box right here. So I just want to share with you guys the opening of it. And this is the box. Hard doing it with one hand, sorry. Okay. And this little dust bag, as you guys know. I think the pullout is like the authenticity or whatnot. And there is the snake ring. I'll show it to you guys right now. 1 second. Okay guys, so here's the Gucci snake ring on my finger. I put on my pinky ring only because I have these big old fat sausage fingers. So, but yeah, that's how it goes on my pinky finger. It's pretty damn cool. I love it. It's got the 2 snake heads. I kind of like it because I'm a Gemini, so I kind of picked. That's the reason why I picked it, for that reason. And I think it looks cool. So yeah, I usually put a full set of rings on when I wear it. And so yeah, new part of my new Gucci ring collection. Hope you guys like it, and I'm gonna do another one soon, so look out for that one as well. Alright guys, hope you like this new Gucci ring, Gucci Garden Snake Ring. You guys have a nice rest of your day. Thank you for watching.
And please guys, like and subscribe. That would be amazing. Thank you so much.